Okay, we're going to set up a task using the Windows Task Scheduler. Single click, type in TAS, get the task scheduler. Awesome, looking good. And we are going to, actually, this guy here was my last attempt. I'm going to delete him. Yes. And we are going to create a new task. And we're going to call it, as you just saw, oOCalc open. And I think I'm going to give it privileges. And I'm going to leave it just as run when the user is logged on. And now we need a trigger. And the trigger is going to be a schedule on the timer. And let's run this at the top of the minute. It's going to take me a few minutes. So we're going to set that up for 9. We'll see if I can make it there. I'm going to tell it to stop the task if it runs longer than 30 minutes, because this task should take no time at all. Okay. Then we're going to bump over to actions. And the new action is to start a program. The program I want to start is called Program Files x86. So scroll this down, it's in the local disk. Program Files x86, Open Office, Program. Okay, that's where it's located. And naturally, it has this funky name, and it's called oOCalc. Overran it there by a significant amount. There we go, oOCalc, open. When we run this, I want to run it with a specific argument passed to it, and that argument is just the path right here. Oop, bring that over so you can see it. I used the properties command. I got the path to my junk2 file. And so I'm going to put the path in, and then I'm going to click this and finish up in K2, and that's a .ods file, this open document spreadsheet. Good, we got that all set up. Just turned 9 o'clock, so my timer was a little optimistic. I'm going to swing over here to conditions. I don't care if the AC power is on or off, right? But I wouldn't mind if it woke the computer up to run this task. Okay, settings, anything else? Allow the task to run on demand, that's fine. That way we can test it and make sure it works. Stop the task. Nothing needs to run longer than an hour. I mean, 10 minutes would be plenty. And then tell it to force stop if it doesn't agree to stop when it's asked to. And now we've created our task here in the task scheduler. Now it's 9:01, so I'm going to bump back in here really quick, and I'm going to look at the properties on that guy. And when I get the properties up, I'm going to look at my trigger, and I'm going to edit the trigger. And when I go to edit the trigger, find how fast the clock spins, I'm going to set it up to go at 9:02. Okay, okay, and minimize that guy, and darned if I didn't lose that. Okay, I paused and then I came back. I reset the timer to 9:04. This should be within 60 seconds of running. I beta tested this using the run command with this highlighted, and it actually does work, which is sort of cool. Just while we're waiting here. You know what? Maybe I'll just highlight one of these up here, just in case having that highlighted when you're waiting for a task to run does something. And in fact, I think I'm just going to close that and see if it shows up here. And there you have it, 9:04. The process began as hoped